Italy now for our next gentleman. He's our staff engineer. Please make some noise. Valerio Alessandro. Next up is our Chief Electoral Officer, making everything right on board. He's from Portugal. It's Rui. Better than when we arrive. We have to look after the planet princess, and we do that with our environmental officer. He's from Croatia. It's the law. Our next guest, I hope you only meet in a social setting like tonight, and not in their place of work. They are a senior doctor from Turkey. She's the first lady of the majestic princess. Please welcome Taner. We have over 1,300 crew members on board that are looked after by an amazing team. This gentleman heads up our Human Resources Department. He is our Human Resources Officer from South Africa. It's Lou! Money, money, money is this next man's deal. He is our Finance Director from India. It's Sandeep! The guest services team work tirelessly to ensure all your needs are met. And it's this next young man who leads them. He is our guest service director from India. It's Martin. Isn't it wonderful to go back to your staterooms each and every night and have your bed turned down, your towels freshly plumped, and your pillows ready to rest that weary head? Well, it's this next young lady and her team of angels that do that for you. From the Philippines, she is our rooms division manager. It's Rowena. An extremely hard-working gentleman on board the majestic princess. We're looking after all our dining outlets on board. He's our director of restaurant operations, or as we know and love him, your maitre d' from Romania. It's Christian. Next, responsible for over 15,000 plates of food that leave those galleys daily, and responsible for taking all those calories out of every meal you eat. He's our executive chef from the Philippines. It's Rodeo. And now it's time for just one final gentleman. It is truly a family here on board the Majestic Princess, and every family tree has one gentleman at the top of it, leading us all, guiding us all, caring for us all as we set sail the seven seas. Ladies and gentlemen, from Italy, the master and commander of the Majestic Princess, please welcome Giuseppe Castellano!
Handy. So, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Buonasera, signore e signori, and welcome on the beautiful, Majestic Princess. On behalf of Princess Cruises and their ships company, it is my privilege tonight to extend our gratitude to sail with us. So, Majestic Princess set sailing yesterday from Port Everglades for a 5 days cruise. As I mentioned yesterday, of course, we have this front coming from the north that is affecting all the Eastern Caribbean. That is to force us to, of course, revert the port, and that is the reason why we are calling Amber Cove for first tomorrow. And of course, I will be very honest with you, I'm still looking the weather, and of course, we will make the most safe decision for that Grand Tour, but I'm already looking an alternative port in order to give you still two ports in order for you to enjoy these 2 days. Otherwise, on board this beautiful ship, we have 3,881 passengers. order to make your vacation excellent, we have 1,312 crew. And of course, all together like family, we will make sure that you will have a wonderful vacation. It's your cruise, it's your vacation, so please enjoy and relax. And once again, welcome on board the beautiful Majestic Princess. Ciao for now.
Ladies and gentlemen. So that's time to come from Kristen. Captain, can I ask you to be honest for us? Up the closest cruise, thank you very much. Now, as you can see, this amazing tower, individually stacked glass, prepared by our amazing bar team. Can we give them a huge round of applause? And to prove they're individually placed, I'm going to remove just one touch of it. Okay, let's have a countdown, shall we? If you're ready, let's go. 99, 98. Too many? Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ladies and gentlemen, this cruise is well and truly underway. I love it. Look at that. A tradition going way back 60 years. Ladies and gentlemen, as they leave the floor, please make some noise for your amazing senior officers of the Majestic Princess. Thank you very much, Captain. Thank you, team. Well, back to extremely busy roles. Thank you. So, Kristen, you're ready. The tower has been primed. The line is ready. All we need now is the amazing sounds of Dee Dee and the crew. Welcome on.
Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. Enjoy the Champagne Waterfall. And we are going to be back here in the piazza at 7:45 for our ABBA party. See you later.
Let's go. gentlemen, let's hear it for the cast of Sweet Soul Music! Oh, come on, ladies and gentlemen, you're listening to the fabulous Vicky Yao, Sarah Payne, Christopher John, and the sensational Dante Lewis! And keep that applause going for your amazing, majestic princess dancers! And let's not forget the Sweet Soul Music Band! Ladies and gentlemen, one more time, the cast and company of Sweet Soul Music!
Somebody who